Usually it used to be at 9:20. Mama used to come at 8:45. And that day at 8:20 we had our class. And many people started to say how we can do 1 year, one hour prior. So Baba was very firm. Very sweetly say Baba wants. And this today's class, to have the class 1 hour prior to the regular time, everybody said okay. Everybody was called 1 hour prior to the class. They wrapped up the entire kitchen. They won't come otherwise, so they wrapped up everything. You might have heard, some of you might have heard, about 20 minutes Baba spoke on 18th of January. The Gayatri Bhen has shared as well. Shared that.
Very mass mein
In the month of January, we will do that, as we will repeat that. So after doing the class, Baba said Om Shanti. He went to his room. And when he went to his room, he was sitting on his bed, just as the feet on the floor. And along with him was Dadi Prakashmani. There was only sign, Dadi Prakashmani. She had just come for a couple of days, for maybe about 8 days from Bombay. And she was like, shall I go? Baba said, no, but no child. Again, she asked, Baba, should I go now? For 1 month, she stayed. She came for probably just 3 days, but she stayed for 1 month. And then Baba, he put his hand in the hands of Dadi Prakashmani, gave just in 2 minutes he had like a jerk, and the soul flew. And then the doctors came later and said, he declared. So a lot of questions arose at that time. Baba, why didn't Baba tell us? Baba says, if I had told you, how many thoughts you all would have had? So did Baba know and not tell us? Many different kinds of questions. So when I got the message, it was 12:45 in the night. We were all sleeping. They knocked the door and they said the phone has come. The word Avyakt was not there. It's only later those words came into existence. So they said Baba flew. There was a deep silence. Nothing else. Said, okay, Baba left. We didn't even say that from our mouth. So beautiful experience. So it's as if when elevated souls leave, the atmosphere that gets created is also like that accordingly. So there was the bedroom and we went in the classroom, we went and sat in Baba's remembrance. And then they said, you share it to other centers as well, pass the information. So we called many of them and said, and to next day we took the 9 o'clock train. Those days we used to have express train which would take 24 hours to reach Abu. And when we reached the station, about 200 Brahmins were there in the same train.
लेकिन जो प्रकाशमणि दादी के हाथ में हाथ दिया ना तो हम समझ गए कि इनको रोका.
When Baba gave his hand in Prakashmani Dadi's hand, we realized like why Brahma Baba told Prakashmani Dadi to stay for 1 month. And Didi was so much love for Baba, but she was sent on a tour service. So Brahma was so accurate that she wasn't there, but Didi wasn't there, but Dadi was there. But Dadi was strong. Didi was a little emotional. From a very young age, from a childhood, she was there. So she wasn't there at all on that time. And he told Dadi to stay back. It's as if he knew that he's going to go. And he would talk to Dadi, talk about all that. These were the last time of those. I also think we should also go like that. We should be just seated and leave the body. Today, these days, it's like go to the hospital, put on the ventilator, and all of those, because everybody is valuable. So we think nobody should go. But this is what I tell everyone, that we should go like Baba. How he went, we should go like that without any trouble. We were sitting and he left.
आपको लगता है कि एंड में ऐसा टाइम होगा जैसे हम सब ऐसे बैठे हैं?
Do you think we'll have this kind of a time in the end, that the way that we are seating and then we will fly?
सब तो कैसे जाएंगे करके, एक एक ही जाएगा.
एक टाइम
That time one will go, right? We all have come alone, we will also go alone, isn't it?
टाइम तो आएगा सबके लिए.
No, everyone time will come. It is not possible that we're always going to be here. Everybody has a limit of the age, physical age, but it's everyone's part.
स्वास्थ्य वगैरह की बात नहीं है.
It is not about health or age. As soon as your part is finished over here, so whatever is your future parents, then they are invoking you, so the soul will go.
टाइम तो आएगा ना, सेवाएं भी समाप्त हो जाएगी.
So that there will be a time when the seva will finish. There is so much of upheaval. One time, advanced party is also there. The Krishna also is also taken birth. But we all will go together, isn't it? Don't say together, but we all will go. Okay, keep that bhavna. We will go with you. There is no harm in keeping that kind of a feeling. You go and we all will go together. It's a good bhavna. Because at the end we all have to be together, isn't it? Somebody has to be there together. When you reached Mount Abu, share a little bit about Brahma Baba when he had become Avyakt. What was the scene in Mount Abu? The corpse is there, and you entered. What was your feeling and what was your experience when you entered Mount Abu? When Baba became Avyakt, there was a big question. We didn't want to do the last rites, the cremation in the public crematorium. So we thought if it's possible to have the final rites inside. But we didn't know that we need to take permission and all of those things. And so we all went to Sirohi as well. That's another city. And we also wanted all the Baba's children to come. So we had kept him in ice in the history hall, because we have to keep it in like cold. Because those days we didn't have hospital over there. Now we keep the corpse in the hospital. So we had 1 or 2 days. The continuous yoga bhakti was going on. About 700 Baba's children had arrived. Maybe 7 or 1200. Myself and Jagdish Bhai, we went to, and a couple of them went to Sirohi to get permission for the cremation to have. So they said nothing like that. So we will do. We will do the final rites. So where there is the Tower of Peace, so there we did the final rites of Brahma Baba. We all sat on 4 sides. There were 8 Kumaris. They put the sandalwood. So whatever you do for the body, and the brothers, they put the dress and everything. They did preparation. These days we have a truck. And, like how Nirvair Bhai, we took him around all over. Those days we didn't have these kind of facilities. So whatever happened, we took Baba around in the town of Abu, and then we did the final rites. And after the final rites, because for 3 days there was no food was cooked, they would do some chai, they would have some dry fruits, because if people fall sick, so they would get chai, because the month of January, so it was cold as well. So whenever you need, you would get a glass of chai. They would have a little cup, glass. Very good chai in Madhuban. I don't drink these days, but they make very good chai. After the final rites, The bhog which was offered was of sweet rice. These days we make halwa, but they had made sweet rice. And how much ever we made, that much was getting finished because everybody was hungry. That was offered as bhog. They put some kesar, like saffron, and they made very good
दीदी
sweet
700
rice.
लोग रहे कहाँ?
Where did the 700 people live? Because where did they stay?
रह जाते थे इधर उधर कहीं ना कहीं,
Here and
जहाँ
there,
पर
they got
देखो,
accommodated
उधर की
wherever they
साइड पे
got
जहाँ पे
placed.
हेल्दी हॉस्पिटल बना
Where
है
there is healthy hospital in Shantivan.
तो कितने 15 बहनें, मतलब सब
With
सो जाते
15
थे,
sisters, they would
चारपाइयाँ
sleep.
डाली कैसे भी करके,
They
ऐसे टाइम पर
somehow or the other,
नहीं
at
होता
those
है कि
times,
आजकल कहते हैं ये कमरा चाहिए या ये
it's not
बेड
like
चाहिए,
I need this kind of
ऐसे
a
टाइम
room,
पे
that
जो
kind of a
थे
bed,
तैयार
because the
होके
time was
नहीं
different.
बनाया सबने।
So for 3 days, they ate nothing.
खाना तो नहीं बना सकते ना
No,
जब
we
तक
were not
शरीर
able to
अच्छा
cook
है,
till the body is
तो
there. We are
भोजन
not
नहीं
allowed to
बनता है।
cook.
और
So
दीदी आप
food
जब
is not cooked.
बाबा के सामने बैठे तब
And when you
आपको क्या
sat in front of
क्या
Baba, what was
फील
your
हुआ
experience?
बाबा की
What was your
शरीर को
feeling?
देखकर?
गए ही नहीं है बाबा, चेहरा ऐसा
Never
था
felt that Baba has left because the
नहीं
face
तो
was
बॉडी
like that, as if
चेंज हो
he's never
जाती है
left.
ना, तो सबसे
Otherwise, the
पहले
body, you will see
चेहरे का रंग
changes,
बदलेगा,
especially the color of the face
परंतु
changes.
बिल्कुल नहीं,
But
एकदम
Baba was
फ्रेश
absolutely the same. He was
अभी भी
fresh,
मुस्कुरा रहा है।
as if he's still
मुझे अभी भी याद
smiling.
है, हमने भी
I still
चंदन वगैरह
remember.
लगाया
I
शरीर
also
पर,
put the
चेहरे
sandalwood
पर
on
भी
him,
हो
and on his
ऐसी
face.
फीलिंग हाथ की थोड़ा हार्ड हो जाता है ना, बिल्कुल
You know how the
जैसे
body
कि
gets
बहुत
hard.
हार्ड लकड़ी सी हो जाती
It's
है,
like a stick,
लेकिन ऐसी बड़ी
but
अच्छी फीलिंग थी,
it was a very nice
बड़ी
feeling.
अच्छी फीलिंग थी। एक आजकल देख नहीं रहा फोटो था जहाँ पर मैं
There was a photo.
और एक बहन
I don't get to
हाँ,
see
दिखा सकते हैं।
myself
आगे
and
अभी कैमरे में
others.
दिखाएंगे।
हम
We'll
लोग
show.
बाबा के ना बैठे
बाबा
हुए
के
हैं, बाबा
पास
के सिर
बैठे
के
हैं।
पीछे
We were
साथ
seated
मैं
at
थी,
the
एक
head
मेरी
of
फ्रेंड थी,
myself and
हम
my
दो
friend
तीन लोग
Lakshmi. 2 or 3 of us were seated at the head.
चंद्राबेन वो भी बैठे हुए थे।
And your Chandrapan, your elder sister, is also seated.
दिखाएंगे अभी 1-2 मिनट में। दीदी मतलब जब बाबा ने शरीर छोड़ा तो
When
जब
Baba
तक
left the
उनका
body,
संस्कार नहीं हुआ तब
and
तक
till his last final rites was not done, many Sandeshis, trans messengers went.
कोई भोग
So,
जब लगा ना,
नहीं
so when
पहले
before the
होने से
final
पहले कोई
bhog,
नहीं गया
did
संदेशी।
nobody, no messengers
बाद में
went to
जब
Baba?
भोग लगा तो दादी गुलजार
So after
हम लोग
bhog,
सभी,
Dadi Gulzar, where
दादी
she went,
प्रकाशमणि थी ना, बहुत
Dadi
strong थी,
Prakashmani was there. She was
कोई
very
रोना
powerful.
धोना या कुछ भी ना, वो
Nobody
जब
would cry or
पहुंचे
anything. When
तो
we
दादी
reached,
प्रकाशमणि ने
Dadi
सबको वेलकम
Prakashmani
किया,
welcomed everyone.
ये फील नहीं होने दिया कि
She never
बाबा नहीं है,
let us feel that
कुछ भी
Baba is
बोली
not here.
नहीं दादी
She
प्रकाशमणि,
didn't
सब
even say
अपना
anything.
बहुत, ये नहीं कि उमंग उत्साह था, पर
It's
साइलेंस
not
में।
that there was a lot of zeal and enthusiasm, there was silence.
और फिर जब भोग लगा ना तब
And when
हमने
bhog
फिर,
was offered, then
हमने अभी
Baba,
भी 1969 की उस दिन की मुरलियाँ पढ़ेंगे ना, 21
if
की,
you read
जिसमें सब
1969
डायरेक्शन
January 21st Murli, where Baba gave all the direction, who's going to offer
संदेशी का क्या
bhog,
पार्ट होगा,
what is the role of the
बाबा का
Sandeshis,
कैसे पार्ट
what
चलेगा,
is the
मुरली
part of
रिपीट होगी,
Baba, the Murlis will be
सब
repeated.
क्लियर।
It
उसके
was
बाद
very clear.
काफी लोगों को सबसे बड़ा क्वेश्चन अब मुरली का क्या होगा,
The biggest question was, what
मुरली
about the
करेंगे कि
Murli?
रिवाइज करें,
So Baba said, we have to
तो
revise the
बाबा ने,
Murli.
आप लोग पढ़ना,
Read
कभी
that,
चांस मिले,
if you get chance, read that
काफी
Murli
हिंदी
once
और
again. You
इंग्लिश
know,
में,
if you have, we do have
69
books in
की अव्यक्त मुरली,
1969 book, Avyakt Murli,
तो उसमें भोग का 21 तारीख का संदेश भी,
19 January
तो
Murli
एक
is there,
सेकंड बीच में जब दादी
1969.
गुलजार सुना रही थी तो थोड़ा
And when
सब
Dadi
इमोशनल
Gulzar
हो गए,
shared, for
तो
one
निर्मल
moment,
शांति
everybody
दादी
became very emotional.
सामने बैठ गई,
So Nirmal Shantati got up and sat in the
बाबा
front.
ने कहा है नहीं रो सकते,
Baba has said we can't
उनकी
cry.
बेटी है निर्मल शांति,
One, she's her own
उनकी
daughter,
कभी आंखों में
and
आंसू नहीं
we
थे,
never saw
नहीं तो
tears in
बेटी
her
को तो
eyes.
पहले
Otherwise, the
लगती
daughter
है
would feel first, right, that
बाबा
Baba
चले
is
गए,
gone.
बिल्कुल
Said no,
ही नहीं थे,
absolutely no,
तो
no
ये भी
tears in
कमाल
her
की बात
eyes.
थी, वो हमने
That was
खुद
also a wonder
आंखों से देखा।
which I have seen through
एक
these
दो मिनट
eyes.
ऐसा हुआ जैसे
Maybe for a
सभी
minute or
लोग
so,
आंखों में थोड़ा आंसू, जब
everybody's
वो संदेश
eyes
सुनाने लगी,
got moist when she started to share the Pope message.
थोड़ी थोड़ी बातें ऐसे याद है।
जी
Little
दीदी
bit I
वो सारी
remember.
मुरलियों में बाबा ने काफी क्लियर किया
Yes,
था, और
Baba
काफी
has cleared many things
किताबों
in
में
that
भी लिखा
Murli,
हुआ है।
and it's also in the books they have written.
दीदी ये
This is the
फोटो है।
image.
बाबा के पास
Moini Didi is also seated, and that is the dead body.
ये नहीं इसमें दिखाएंगे आपको अगली सीरीज में। ऐसे हैं 2-3 फोटो हैं।
There are 2-3 pictures
Thank you,
where
दीदी।
we see.
बाकी
Thank
आगे
you.
फिर कैसे संदेश आए और कैसे
So how the messengers came and how the organization
कैसे आगे
happened.
सेवाएं आगे बढ़ी, कैसे प्रकाश मणि दादी और आप सब कैसे सेवाओं में। और
क्योंकि मामा के जाने के बाद दीदी मोइनी दिल्ली में रहती थी ना,
After
मधुबन में शिफ्ट हो गई।
Didi started to stay in,
रहने लगी, तब से
initially Didi
दादी
was in Delhi, and then she moved to Madhuban, and Didi both took responsibility and took care of all the activities
next
of the
phase ब्रह्मा बाबा
yajna.
के अव्यक्त होने के बाद जो विदेशों में भी काफ़ी सेवाएं शुरू हुई, तो
So
आगे
there was a
हम
lot of service that started in the foreign countries. We would like to hear about your journey. How did you come to the foreign country? And even in Bharat, there was a lot of service, that expansion that happened after Baba became a Vyakt. So we would like to listen that journey as well. Thank you, Didi. Very nice. Thank you. Shanti.
merging by mind and intellect. Merge mind and intellect in this point of light and might. I emerge my eternal qualities. I am a soul, a point of light. I am a pure soul. A loveful soul. A peaceful soul. A blissful soul. A powerful soul. I inherit from my parents, Supreme Soul, all his sanskars, all his virtues, all his powers. I had lost them, but I reclaim. In soul consciousness, I connect. I celebrate my meeting with Baba. I sit next to Baba. Like Bab Dada, together. The waves of love in the ocean of love, Baba.
Om
अपनी
Shanti, we welcome you in
शक्तिशाली
Avyakti Parivar. Today's day 2.
सकाश देने की सेवा करो
Do the service of giving
आज का
Sakash
विषय
through
है
your
light
powerful
और
mind.
might।
Today's topic is light
अव्यक्त
and
इशारे
might.
जैसे
Avyak signal
ऊंचे
is
टावर से
just as you
सकाश
give
देते
Sakash
हैं,
from a high tower
लाइट माइट
and spread light
फैलाते
and
हैं,
might,
ऐसे आप
similarly,
बच्चे भी
you children
अपनी
also
ऊंची
sit
स्थिति
at your high position
अथवा ऊंचे
or a
स्थान
high
पर
place and give
कम से
light
कम 4
and
घंटे
might to the world for at
विश्व
least
को
4 hours.
लाइट और माइट दो।
Even the sun
जैसे
can give
सूर्य
light to the
भी
world when
विश्व
it is
में
high.
रोशनी तब दे सकता है
So
जब
become
ऊंचा है।
a
तो
resident of a high
साकार
place to
सृष्टि
give
को
Sakash
सकाश देने
to
के
the
लिए
corporeal
ऊंचे
world.
स्थान निवासी बनो। अभी हम मोहिनी दीदी से सुनेंगे।
Now we will listen from Mohini Didi.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
जनवरी मास है।
January month.
जनवरी मास पे
In the month
सभी
of
अनुभव
January,
सुनाते हैं।
everybody shares their
बहुत
experience.
ज़्यादा बाबा की समीपता,
We
शांति की
experience
तरफ झुकाव, साइलेंस,
closeness to
ये
Baba.
जैसे
We
खींच होती है, पुल होती है।
silence, you're pulled towards silence
और
as though.
बाबा ने तो अभी इस साल
And Baba
इस
this
मास
year,
के लिए खासकर जनवरी
and
के
especially for this month, for the month
कि
of
सभी को
January,
हमें सकाश देना है।
Baba says that we have to give
उसका
Sakash
तरीका
to
बाबा
everyone.
बता रहे हैं कि
So
क्या है
Baba is sharing his
कि
that
जैसे
how
दिखाते
to
हैं बड़े
give
ऊपर से
the Sakash, like how they say that
बाबा
up above,
सूर्य का
high.
एग्जाम्पल दे रहे हैं
Baba is giving the example of
कि
sun,
सारे विश्व में
that how
सूरज की
the sunlight
रोशनी
spreads in the
प्रकाश
whole
फैलता
world
है, उसकी हीट भी
when
होती है ना।
they feel the heat
इसको
also.
बाबा लाइट माइट कह रहे हैं
Baba calls it light and
क्योंकि
might
आत्मा जो है
because
मन,
the soul,
बुद्धि, संस्कार, लाइट और माइट, लोग
mind,
एनर्जी कहते हैं,
intellect, light and
पॉइंट
might.
ऑफ
People call
एनर्जी।
it
हम लोग
energy or point of
एनर्जी वर्ड
energy.
अभी यूज करने लगे,
We
नहीं
have
तो
started
लाइट
using the word energy, but
मतलब
before we used to say
ज्योति
might,
और शक्ति।
means
यह
light
आत्मा,
and might.
मन, बुद्धि,
I, the
संस्कार,
soul, mind,
पर आत्मा
intellect,
है क्या?
sanskar. What is soul?
मन, बुद्धि, संस्कार तो उसको काम
Mind,
करने
intellect,
देते हैं ना।
sanskar
आत्मा है क्या?
make the
लाइट
soul
है।
work. Soul
तो
is
जैसे
light and
आप
might.
एक स्थिति बनाओ,
Stabilize your mind.
जितना भी 4 घंटे तो दिन भर की बात हो रही है।
4 hours is about the
सवेरे
whole
जैसे
day,
बैठते ही हैं
but
हम
like in the
लोग
morning
45
we
मिनट,
sit
घंटा,
for
कोई
45 minutes or 1
1.5
hour, or
डिपेंड
some of
करता
them
है।
1.5 hour.
तो इस पर लक्ष्य क्या है
So this time
कि
your
जैसे
aim is
एक ऊंची स्थिति, ऊंचा
like
स्थान
your
का मतलब
stage
नहीं
should be very
कि पहाड़ी
high.
पर जाके बैठेंगे,
It's not that sit on the top of a
लेकिन
mountain,
ऊंची स्थिति हो हमारी
but your stage
और
should be
उसमें मैं
high,
लाइट स्वरूप में बैठूं
and in that I should sit
या
in my
माइट
light
स्वरूप में
form,
बैठूं
in my might form,
और विश्व की सेवा करनी है।
and
क्या
serve
होना
the
है
world.
जनवरी मास में?
What we have to do
एक
in
तो
the month
चलो
of
बाबा का
January,
है ही,
one is it is
लेकिन
Baba's
होना भी
month,
क्या है पता नहीं
and
दुनिया में
what will happen
क्या
in the
क्या हो
world,
सकता है।
we don't know what all is
लोगों के
happening.
मन में कई तरह का डर है, लोगों के
People
मन में
have fear
क्या
of every kind
होगा,
in their
कैसे
mind that
होगा।
what will happen, how will it
तो
happen.
बाबा कह रहे हैं कि
So Baba is
जैसे
saying
ऊंची टावर से सकाश
like
देते हैं,
how
आपने
just
देखा
as
ना
you give
लाइट हाउस
Sakash from
होता
a
है
high tower, you have seen
समुद्र के
lighthouse
बीच में।
in the middle of an ocean.
हमने देखा है बॉम्बे में, कई
I have
जगह
seen
में
in
हम जाते हैं
Bombay,
तो
and we go to
वहाँ
many
पर
places.
वॉक कर सकते हैं।
You can walk also.
बहुत जोर से लहरें, बहुत आवाज होती है,
Waves
आप
come.
पास में खड़े
There's a
हो
lot of loud noise if you're standing
और
close
जैसे
by.
समुद्र में
And like in
बोट्स
the
हैं,
ocean,
शिप्स हैं,
there are
सभी
boats and
डायरेक्शन
ships.
का पता लगता है
They
लाइट हाउस माइट
they
हाउस से।
through lighthouse and lighthouse they come to
ऐसे
know
ही
the
हमारी
direction.
स्थिति से भी बहुत
So through our stage, many of
भटके हुए
them,
जो हैं उनको
those who are wandering
सकाश मिल
around,
सकती है।
they can
तो
receive
जैसे
Sakash.
ऊंचा
So just
टावर
as you
में
give Sakash from a
से
high
सकाश
tower
देते हैं,
and spread light and might,
लाइट माइट फैलाते हैं, ऐसे
similarly,
आप बच्चे
you children
भी
also sit
अपनी
at your
ऊंची
high
स्थिति,
position or a high
ऊंची
place
स्थिति अर्थात ऊंचे स्थान पर बैठ
and
कम
give
से
light
कम
and
4
might
घंटे
to the world for at
विश्व
least
को
4
लाइट और माइट
hours.
दो। अगर आप दिन भर गिने तो 4
If
घंटे हो
you
ही जाते हैं ना।
count about your whole day, then it will be 4
4
hours.
तो हो जाते हैं।
It won't be 8, but 4
जैसे
will
सूर्य
definitely
भी
happen. Even the sun can give light
विश्व
to
में
the world
रोशनी तब
when
दे
it is
सकता
high.
है जब ऊंचा है। मतलब बातें तो होती हैं,
Things
चल रहा है,
happen.
आप ऊपर रहो।
You stay
तो
above,
साकाश
beyond.
सृष्टि
So
को
become
सकाश
a
देने के
resident
लिए
of a high place to give
उस
Sakash to the corporeal
स्थान के
world.
निवासी बनो। बाबा का यही हमने देखा ना।
I've seen
ऊपर
Baba
आ गए
says
तो हम
that
कहते हैं
remain
beyond।
beyond.
कोई पूछता है
Some ask,
ये कैसे बाबा,
how
ये
is
तो
this? How this?
ध्यान नहीं जाता है ना, ज्यादा
We
इन
don't pay
बातों में।
attention to these
ऊपर
things.
हम रहना
So remain beyond.
वो बहुत आवश्यक है। तो लाइट
That is
भी दे
very
सकेंगे,
important.
माइट भी दे सकेंगे।
So you'll be
तो
able to
ये
give
हम
light
लोगों
and
को
might.
कल के लिए
So this for tomorrow is our
होमवर्क भी
homework.
है, अव्यक्त इशारा भी कहो
These are avyakt signals
कि मुझे क्या कल करना है।
that what I have to do tomorrow,
लाइट और
give
माइट
light and might to the
सबको,
world.
विश्व को विश्व सेवा करनी है ना।
I have
जनवरी
to
में
serve the world. In the month of January, we have to
ऊंची
serve the
स्थिति
world.
में
So remain in a
बहुत बातें
very
होती हैं, हम
high
कर सकते हैं।
stage. Many things happen, but we have
रोज
to
दिन
stay
चलते
up and
ड्रामा तो
above.
चलता रहेगा।
Drama will go
बाबा ने
on.
कहा
We cannot stop
जब
it.
टाइम टाइम तो
Baba
कभी
says
रुकता नहीं, तो
that
ड्रामा भी
time
नहीं
never
रुकता,
stops. Drama also never stops.
क्योंकि टाइम और ड्रामा
Because time and
एक
drama,
आपस में कनेक्शन है।
there is a connection
ड्रामा
between
चल
them.
रहा है, हर एक का पार्ट चल रहा
Drama
है।
is going on.
मुझे किसी के
Everyone's
पार्ट में
part is going
उलझना
on.
नहीं है।
I don't want to get entangled in someone
साक्षी
else's
होके
part.
देखो,
Become a detached
उसको
observer.
प्रोत्साहन देते रहो, प्रेरणा
Encourage
देते
them,
रहो,
inspire them,
अच्छा एग्जाम्पल रहो।
become a good
तो अपने आप
example.
ही, हाँ, सबकी यात्रा
Then
हमारी भी अच्छी
automatically
रहेगी,
everybody's
हमारे
journey
जो
will be
सह
good.
यात्री
Ours
हैं
also, and
उनकी
those who
भी
are with
यात्रा
us, even
अच्छी
their
होती
journey
रहेगी।
will be good. Om Shanti.
अव्यक्त मुरली रिवीजन
Avyakt Murli revision
1969 से
from 1969
ज्ञान के
onwards.
रतन
Jewels
और
of
स्नेह
knowledge,
के
pearls
मोती।
of love.
अव्यक्तवाणी
Avyakt
तारीख है
Murli's
23
date is
जनवरी
23rd January
1975।
1975.
स्वमान की सीट पर सेट होकर
Become a great soul
कर्म
by performing
करने वाला
actions
ही महान
seated
है।
on self-respect.
जैसे
In a worldly
लौकिक
way,
रीति में
you
मालूम
can
पड़
tell
जाता
when
है
there has been damage
कि इस
and
बात
when the
के
result
कारण
has been
अक्सर
good
होता है
because of that.
रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं निकलता है। तो एक बार
Once
धोखा
you have been
खाने के
deceived,
बाद
you ensure
स्वतः
that you
ही
look
संभल
after
जाते
yourself.
हैं कि बार-बार
You don't
धोखा
allow
खाता
yourself to be
हूँ।
deceived again and again, do
वे
you?
अभिमान के
What
कारण
happens because of body
अथवा
consciousness
किसी
or
भी
because of
कमजोरी
being
के
under the
वशीभूत
influence of a
होने
particular
से
weakness?
परिणाम
You have
क्या
experienced
होता
this
है?
many times.
इस बात के
If you
अनेक
allow
बार अनुभवी हो चुके
yourself to be
हैं।
deceived, even after having
अनुभवी
experienced
होने के
this,
बाद फिर
what
भी
can one say?
धोखा खाते हो
It
तो
proves that you
ऐसे
do
को
not
क्या
conduct
कहा
yourself in the
जाएगा?
awareness of your
इससे
greatness.
सिद्ध होता है कि
Why
अपनी
do you forget
महानता को
your
स्वयं
greatness?
ही सदा जान
What is the
कर
reason
ही
for
चलते
this?
हो।
It is because of you
अपनी
do not set
महानता को
yourself
भूलते क्यों
on
हो?
the seat of the stage
कारण
of a destroyer
क्योंकि
of
विघ्न
obstacles.
विनाशक सर्व परिस्थितियों को मिटाने वाले स्वस्थिति व पोजीशन के श्रेष्ठ स्थान और स्वमान की सीट जो बाप दादा ने संगम युग पर दी हुई है उस सीट पर सेट नहीं होते हो। अपनी सीट को छोड़कर
One who finishes all
बार-बार
situations
नीचे आ
and on the
जाते
seat
हो।
of your original stage and
सीट
position
पर
which
रहने
Bab Dada has
से
given you
स्वमान भी
at the confluence age,
स्वतः
you get off your
स्मृति में
seat and
आता
come down
है।
again and again. By
लौकिक रीति
being
भी
seated on the
ऐसा
seat,
है
you're
आत्मा
automatically
को।
able to maintain the
सीट
awareness
मिल
of your stage
जाती
of
है
self-respect.
तो
In a Lokik way
स्वमान
too,
भी
when an
बढ़
ordinary soul
जाता
receives
है।
a seat of some position,
उस नशे
his
में
self-respect
स्वतः ही
increases. and he
हो
automatically
जाते हैं।
stabilizes himself in that state
ऐसे
of
ही सदा
intoxication.
अपनी सीट
In the
पर
same
रहो,
way, constantly remain on
तो
your seat
स्वमान
and you will be
निरंतर
able to
स्मृति में
maintain your
रहे।
self respect in your awareness.
समझा?
Do you understand? To get
सीट
off the
के
seat
नीचे आना
means to become forgetful
अर्थात स्मृति
instead
से
of
नीचे
having remembrance.
विस्मृति में
Check
आना।
that you remain on your
ऊंची सीट
elevated
पर
seat.
सेट रहने की चेकिंग करो। सीट पर सेट होने से स्वतः ही वह संस्कार और कर्म परिवर्तन में आ ही जाते हैं। समझा? कमजोरी के बोल ब्राह्मणों की भाषा ही नहीं, शूद्रपन
By
की
sitting on the
भाषा
seat of
को
you
क्यों
automatically
यूज
able to
करते
transform
हो?
your sanskars and actions. Do you
अपने
understand?
देश और अपनी
Words of
भाषा का
weakness are
भाषण
not the
रहता
language of
है।
Brahmin souls. So why do you
अपनी भाषा
use
को
the
क्यों
language of Shudras?
दूसरे की भाषा
You
में
have the
बदलते हो?
intoxication of your land and your language, do you
तो
not?
अब यह
Why do you
परिवर्तन
forget your
करो।
own language and use someone
पहले
else's
चेक
language?
करो,
So now bring
फिर
about
बोलो।
this transformation. First of all, check
सीट
yourself
पर
and then
सेट
speak.
होकर के
Set yourself on your
संकल्प
seat
व
and then
कर्म
create
करो।
thoughts and perform actions.
इस
By
सीट
sitting
पर
on this
रहने
seat,
से
you automatically
स्वतः
receive the
ही
blessing of being
महानता का
elevated.
वरदान प्राप्त
So why
हो
do you let
जाता
go of the
है।
seat that is blessed and labor
तो
instead?
वरदानी सीट
Then
को
after
छोड़
laboring, you
करके
become
मेहनत
tired
क्यों
and
करते हो?
disheartened. Therefore, now
मेहनत
adopt
करते करते
the
फिर
easy
थक भी
method.
जाते हो और दिल शिकस्त हो जाते हो। इसलिए अब सहज साधन अपनाओ। ओम
Acha,
शांति।
Om Shanti.